Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel SSRY Knowledge Hub. Learn, practice and grow. In this video, we are going to learn 150 words, 4-letter English words. This is part 1. In the second part, we will learn another 150 English words. Let's start the video. Able, acid, aged, also, area, army, away, baby, back, ball, band, bank, base, bath, beer, beat, beef, bean, bell, belt, best, bird, blow, blue, boat, body, book, boot, born, both, bowl, busy, cake, call, calm, came, camp, card, care, cart, case, cash, cast, city, club, coal, coat, cold, come, cook, cool, corn, cost, crab, crop, cube, cure, cute, dark, data, date, dawn, days, deep, deer, desk, dial, dice, diet, dish, door, down, draw, drop, drum, duck, dust, duty, each, earn, is, east, easy, edge, else, even, ever, exit, face, fact, fair, fall, farm, fast, fear, feed, feel, feet, fell, file, fill, film, find, fine, fire, fish, five, flag, flat, flow, food, foot, fork, farm, fort, free, frog, from, full, game, gate, gift, gull, give, glad, goal, goat, gold, good, grey, grow, hair, half, hand, hang, hard, hair, harm, head, here, heat, help, hero, hide, high, hill, hold, home, hope, hour. We are completed 154-letter English words in this video. Wait for part 2. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SSRY Knowledge Hub. See you in the part 2 video. Bye.